Servicing your vehicle at a local mechanic shop doesn't necessarily save you money. Whether you need a new paint job or touch-up, windshield repair, or a tune-up, when you bring your vehicle to Jack Taylor's Alexandria Toyota, you'll receive prompt, courteous service from a staff dedicated to quality for our customers in the products and services we provide. Visit us at www.alexandriatoyota.com to print out money-saving service coupons, read about our award-winning service department, learn about our price match guarantee. And at a certified dealer, you get reliable service performed by highly trained technicians you can trust. Call, click, or come in for more information. Jack Taylor's Alexandria Toyota is located at 3750 Jefferson Davis Highway in Alexandria, Virginia.